Where are you going, Nak?
Going on the bath.
The bath! Yay! Who's this?
Daddy.
Daddy? You okay? Oh, dali na lang. Maluoy mo na ang baby.
Mommy.
Come. Come. Shush, buang mo niya nga. Maoy, kakatawan mo niya yung baby girl. Wala pa yung gusto. Come. So, ayan. Pinakita ko kay Daddy Mike. Sabi ko, ayan, may payment na naman tayo from Google AdSense, from YouTube. And sabi ni Daddy Mike na, morning! Welcome back to our channel! Happy Saturday, everyone! It is currently 11 o'clock ng umaga and nandito kami ngayon sa kwarto. Tingnan yung aking suot ay naka-robe pa. Ating baby girl ay nandito. There's a car. Who's that? That's probably Daddy's order, nak. Did Daddy ordered coffee? Yeah, Daddy ordered coffee, honey. The delivery guy. Good morning, Sahir, nak be? Say hi! Say hi! Wave! Wave! Wave, anak! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! He just delivered Daddy Gruffalo's tea. Nak, say hi! Good morning sa dali, nak, be?
No.
Why not?
This is taxi.
A what?
Taxi.
A taxi? Hello? Pero ang light, nak. Yung gipasiga-siga, nak. Hi, saba. Bye-bye na. Wave, bye-bye.
No.
Bye-bye, Tito. So, drive safe because it's raining. Nag-breakfast kami kanina, guys, ng pancake kasi nagluto ako ng pancake for Paris kasi yun yung gusto niya every Saturday and Sunday morning. Ngayon ay finifill in lang namin ang aming bathtub ng water para mag-bath kami ni Paris. A bath time, is it?
Oh, there.
Oh, what are you wearing? Oh, I had one already, Daddy. Say good morning, Daddy.
Morning. Morning.
Bigyan pala ako ni Daddy Mike ng hot chocolate. Nagkape na ako kanina. Okay, show them what you're wearing in the bath. Wow! Are you getting changed now? Mag-change na siya ng kanyang two-piece. And also, habang yung tubig natin sa sa bath, guys, nilabas namin ni Daddy Mike yung mga shoes namin na gusto naming labhan para naman. Kahit tingnan niyo sa labas, guys, oh. Matagal yang ma-dry ang aming sapatos ba kasi umuulan sa labas. Ready na ang ating baby girl, guys. Be, show mommy. Here, stand there. Wow! Show in the mirror, be. Show in the mirror. Wow! So sexy among baby. Oy, cute ba na among baby yung two-piece, oy? Where are you going, nak?
Going on the bath.
The bath! Yay! Full ng aming bath, guys, kaya magre-ready na rin si mami niya. Yung aking buhok pala, guys, binulibot ko ng ganyan kasi naligo ako kahapon. So ayokong ayokong basahin yung buhok ko. Yung katawan ko lang yung babasahin ko kasi papasok ako with Paris. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Let's just put these shoes in the washing machine. Can you help me? Put this in the washing machine so we can go bath? Okay, put in the washing machine. Yeah, okay, go. Put the shoes in the washing machine. Yes, in the washing machine. It's fast.
There. It's my mother. It's my lumps. It's raining.
It's raining.
I wanna. It's raining my shoes.
And Paris' shoes in there. Hi!
I'll take a bath.
Are you taking a bath? Naghihintay muna kami kasi medyo mainit pa yung tubig. Is it still hot na? Try? Is it still hot?
Now it's hot more. See?
It's hot no more. Do you want to go in now?
No.
Not yet? Okay. It's now 1 o'clock and kakatapos lang namin mag-bath ni Paris. And ngayon ay Naglalagay lang ako ng mga chichibureche sa aking mukha. So, I'm putting toner now. And then, after that, susundan ko ng serum. Palagi ko itong pinapakita sa video ko, diba? Tingnan nyo, oh. Hindi na makita dyan sa taas.
Mommy.
Konti na lang. Ating baby girl, oh. Hyper na hyper! Is the baby okay? The bear okay?
It hurts the nose.
Brush your hair, nakbi.
It hurts the nose.
Wow, long hair naman kayang baby, oh.
It hurts the nose.
Oh no! Her hurt the nose. The bear hurt the nose.
Here's brother.
Did you fix it? Are you the doctor?
The bubbles.
Are you the doctor na?
It's red.
Mm. Yan. Tingnan nyo ang kanyang hair, oh. Tumutubo na talaga. Are you the doctor?
Dad.
Are you fixing the bear? Na?
Yes.
Yes.
It's not touching.
There's no touching? Why? Why?
It's not touching the bubbles.
No touching the bear. Be mama touch me?
Not touching.
Oh, no touching.
It hurts.
Okay, doctor, you're fixing the bear.
Do I touch?
No touch? Okay, honey.
I touch?
Malapit nang mag 2 o'clock, mga friends. Nandito tayo ngayon sa kwarto and si Daddy Mike at Paris ay nandun sa couch kasi nanonood sila ng something sa TV. And then, si ate nyo pala ay nakapag-mook up ng light. Ayan, nag-mook up tayo guys para naman feeling normal pa rin tayo kahit nasa lockdown tayo, o diba? By the way, gusto ko sanang pumunta ng post office kasi may kailangan akong i-post. Again, may nabenta na naman sa atin yung online. So, I'll see. I'm not too sure kasi Sabado ngayon, so hindi ko alam kung open yung mga post office. But, I'm gonna give them a call just to make sure before I go. And we'll see. I don't think they're open, guys. Walang sumasagot.
You have reached the message bank of 039.
So, it went through the voicemail, guys. So, it means walang tao doon. It's very good na chinek ko before kasi nakalagay sa Google kasi na open sila hanggang 5 o'clock ng hapon. And, of course, alam ko naman na dahil sa COVID, it might change. Kaya it's good na chinek ko guys kasi pag napunta ako dun tapos sarado pala, sayang lang ang effort ni atin nyo. I-message ko na lang si buyer siguro na sa Monday ko na lang ipopost. By the way guys, today is the 22nd ng August at kapag YouTuber kayo, alam nyo na pag 21st to 22nd ng buwan, sinisend ng Google AdSense yung payment nyo. And yes guys, second time na natin na makatanggap ng sahod dito sa YouTube at dahil yun sa inyong lahat, kaya nagpapasalamat ako, taos-pusong pasasalamat sa inyong lahat sa panonood nyo ng aming mga videos and of course sa hindi pag-skip na mga ads. Maraming salamat talaga. Kasi kaninang umaga, pag-check ko ng email ko, may nakalagay na Google AdSense, check your recent payment. So, ayan. Pinakita ko kay Daddy Mike, sabi ko, ayan, may payment na naman tayo from Google AdSense from YouTube. And sabi ni Daddy Mike na, thank you, Mommy. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, thank you, Mommy. Pero hindi, I know he was only joking, guys. Napag-usapan na naman namin before na kung meron man kaming matanggap na kahit konti sa YouTube dahil sa mga vlogs na ina-upload namin, then I'll make sure na ilalagay namin sa savings namin para dagdag savings para sa kinabukasan ng ating pamilya. Diba? But super happy talaga ako guys, kaya super thank you sa inyong lahat sa patuloy na pagsuporta nyo at sana hindi kayo magsawang magsuporta sa ating channel. And also guys, in-straight ko pala ang aking buhok today for a change. Kasi ang tagal ko nang hindi na, na straight ba. All the time, palagi ko na lang parang bulibod-bulibod ng ganyan. Alam nyo na, kapag weekend, yan yung time na nakakapag-time ako sa sarili ko. Kasi nandito si Daddy Mike, inalaga niya si Paris and all. So, ayan, tingnan nyo ang aking hair guys. Oh, mahaba na siya ba? Pero ang kanyang tubo dito, ang kulay, tingnan nyo na, hanggang dito na oh. Oh, tapos hindi ako makapag-book ng hairdresser kasi close hanggang pa. Ewan ko, I'm not really sure kung kailan pa mag-open yung mga hairdresser namin dito. Basta yung stage for lockdown namin is, yung plano ng government is until the 13th of September. So, may 3 weeks pa kami na natitira. And I'm not sure pagkatapos niyan, who knows, baka i-extend pa. Fingers crossed, hindi na. Kasi, it's really boring, guys. And alam nyo, there's another one as well. Kasi may nag-comment na, yun nga daw, parang may redundancy ang aking mga videos. Yung paulit-ulit ba? And na-mention ko na nga sa one of our videos na nanghingi ako ng pasensya sa inyo ng ating mga vlogs, mga content natin ay nandito lang sa bahay, yung paulit-ulit lang ng mga routine namin. Kasi wala naman talaga kaming ibang magawa, guys. Like, hindi kami makakalabas. Kung pwede lang sana kaming lumabas. You know us. We love outdoors. We love always going out and all. And ngayong lockdown, wala naman kayong magawa. Dito lang kami sa bahay. So, yung ating mga content ay pabalik-balik lang. As mentioned, I make sure naman talaga na may mga excitement din yung ating mga videos para hindi naman talaga siya identical sa ating mga previous videos. Hello, Princess. Careful, anak. Mataga ka, anak. Are you riding your bike? Show Mama, B. Show Mama how to ride the bike. Mataga ka, nak. Mahayang ka, nak. Careful ba?
Dawan.
Dawan. Come on na. Ride, 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 ride.
Yes.
Bye-bye, honey.
Bye, Jake.
Bye, Jake. There's no Jake here. There's no Jake here. Jake's at home. Tingnan nyo ang aking bata, guys. Oh, nandiyan na naman siya sa kanyang laundry bag, laundry basket.
Mommy,
Back daw siya, back.
Go down, Mommy.
Na mataga ka, nak. Pag hinay ang tawon.
I will go down.
You wanna go down?
Okay.
Okay. Hold, Mommy. How did you get in there in the first place?
Help.
Ikaw, gid bata ka karang
Can
kagid.
I jump?
Huh?
I jump for that?
Yeah. Come.
Mommy, you want to hold up? Up, Mommy, up.
Hala. Ayaw pagtindog kay mahayang
Up,
ka.
Mommy.
Okay. Are you Super Paris?
Yes, it's me.
It's not you, Sabi. Super Paris.
Yes.
Say Super Paris. Oh, careful na. Say Super Paris.
Sugar Paris.
Ayush! Super, pakusi ako ni Super Paris, be.
Go.
Ready, steady, go! Nak, take that napinak, be. Put in the bin, please. Yeah. Yes. Thank you, honey girl. You're such a sweetheart. Thank you very much. Put in the bike and you put in the bin, okay? Okay, ride your bike. Good girl. Oh gosh, ang ating baby girl ay very sleepy na.
Mommy.
We have a nap na?
No.
I know, okay. Alright. Well, oh shush, patulog gid kag luha yung lugar? Ha? Patulog yung lugar kag luha? Have a look outside, guys. Oh, it's raining. Hi. Yeah, it's bad weather. Do you want to have a nap now?
No.
Okay, come, mommy. Hi guys, it's now 3:50 ng hapon. Ang ating baby girl ay natutulog na. And si Daddy Mike ay naglalaro ng kanyang video game, NBA. Ayan, parang kid lang, oh. Ayan. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Wala kaming magawa man. Sa labas, oh, sobrang ulan din. Ah, Lord. Ayaw niya magpa-estorbo, guys. Ang galing-galing niya, oh. Ako, hindi talaga ako marunong maglaro ng PS4 ba? Hindi ko alam itong mga ganito, mga buttons. Wala kasi sa aming bukid before. Wala man kaming mga ganito, kaya hindi ko alam kung paano laruin. Pero si Daddy Mike, sobrang galing niya talaga. Which one are you, Daddy?
The one. Purpose.
Oh, well done. Itong mga ito ba, parang mga totoo talaga ba? Tingnan nyo ang kanilang mga mukha ba, oh? Mukha mga totoong tao, cartoons lang pala. What's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, wake up now. It's late na. Ang kanyang daddy ay natutulog. Kamamali, Kado. Kado. Who's this?
Daddy.
Daddy? You okay? Oh, ano dali na lang. Miluoy mo na ang baby.
Mommy.
Come. Come. Shush, buang mo niya mama. Ay, kakatawan mo niya yung baby girl. No, wala pa yung gusto. Come. You okay? You okay? How are you, my little princess? Josh, kado, mama ng kado. 1, 2, 3, up! Ang kanyang daddy ay natutulog. Tingnan niyo sa labas, oh. Very dark na. Is it still raining na?
No, it's not raining.
Huh?
It's not raining anymore.
It's not raining anymore. It stopped raining already?
It's not time.
It's nighttime. It is nighttime, isn't it? It's dark now. Yeah,
Tonight.
it's nighttime. It's time to go to bed. You just woke up.
Mommy.
Yes, honey.
Mommy.
What would you like? Kiss her, mommy. Kiss mommy. Oh, kiss mommy na. Cuddle tayo. Love, love, mommy. I love you. I love you. Nak! Anak! Mabuhay!
No.
You say mabuhay!
No.
Pero kami mga buwang dito guys, nagdi-dream na lang kami na magbabiyahe kami ng Philippine Airlines. Nak! Mabuhay!
No.
No. You say, mabuhay and welcome to Philippine Airlines.
It's not time.
Sleep nighttime. Is Daddy sleeping now, nighttime?
Take the light off.
Turn the light off. Boom.
Good morning, time day.
Good morning, Paris.
It's not time.
Okay.
Funny. I shush Paris sleeping.
One day, wake up.
Wake up.
Morning, time day.
Morning time day.
It's not time.
Okay.
Paris Nicole. Ka-joker ba ni mo na?
What? Right there.
Boom. Show Tita and Tito B. Wow, Paris is putting bread in the oven. Mama will do it because it's hot enough. Okay. Wow.
Parents do it.
Okay. Very hot, man. Very
Say.
hot. Yeah. Okay, there you go. That's fine now. Now just put it one by one. Mama will hold it.
Now, parents hold up.
2, 3. Yay! Careful, Mama will close it now. Thank you, honey.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's
We'll
see.
wait. We'll wait for a little bit, and then Mama will let you know if it's cooked. Okay? Shh. Shh. Excited. Are you excited for your bread?
Yay!
Yes. Come on, Super Paris. Come on, Super Paris. Dito tayo sa kitchen, guys. Magluluto na tayo ng dinner. Daddy is making... What's this one, Daddy? Nasi goreng.
But you need Paris needs to put that noodle in. Please.
Okay. Paris will put the noodles now. Put the noodles now.
Put it in there.
Thank you.
Thanks, Papa.
Good job. Sige.
1, 2.
Careful. Oh, look, take it na. That's it. Later na pod. Okay, there you go.
Parents tell you, mommy.
Paris is turn. Okay. Careful.
Good girl.
Good job. You're doing a great job, honey. Wow.
Go like that.
Wow. Wow. Again? Do you get it?
Paris.
Whoa. Well done. Paris is cooking, guys. Go on, anak. Thumbs up. One more? Oh, shush. Well done. Hi guys! You won't believe it. It's now 10:40 at gising pa kaming lahat dito sa bahay. Yung ginawa namin after dinner, nanood kami ng YouTube at yung mga music videos ni Rihanna, ni Chris Brown, ni... Mommy will clean the bed. Yes, come here. Lahat ng mga singers, guys, pinanood namin and yun, pa-relax-relax lang ba? Tapos si Paris, kumain siya ng orange. Did you like your orange na? Yeah. Ay ngayon, lilinisan lang natin ang ating bed, guys. Para ready na matulog. Mommy will clean the bed. Mommy will clean the bed. So, ayan na guys, ready na ang ating bed. And si Paris ay ready na rin pala para matulog. And ako, hindi pa ako nakapaghilamos pero gagawin ko yan mamaya. It's okay na medyo late tayong matulog tonight kasi wala namang trabaho bukas at wala naman tayong pupuntahan talaga bukas. Kaya, you okay, nak? Yung bata nga ko, ano? Up, up, up! Hooray! Go to your bigger bed. So we stayed home all day today, guys, kasi maulan sa labas and very cold. It was maximum 9 degrees today. So, hindi man lang kami nakalabas para mag-exercise or anything like that. So, si Daddy Mike is sobrang bored talaga. Kaya nga sabi ko kay Daddy Mike na just find something na parang magawa mo dito sa bahay ba? Kasi ako, ang dami kong iniisip, guys. Like, katulad dito, nagbablog ako. Nag-iisip pa ako ng, parang content. Tapos, nag-i-edit pa ako. Tapos, kaya hindi talaga ako nabuboard, guys. Palagi talaga akong busy kasi ang dami kong ginagawa. I-welcome ang ating mga bagong subscribers. Welcome sa ating tahanan. At sana na-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. Maraming salamat sa pag-consider na mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Also, of course, sa ating mga existing subscribers na hindi ako iniiwan. Maraming salamat sa inyo. I-end ko na yung vlog natin dito, guys, kasi ang ating baby girl ay, tingnan nyo, very maingay na siya. Oh, this one. Come on. Come up here. Go siya na. But of course, hindi natin pwedeng i-end without the shout-out. So, first shout-out goes to Rose Lumeran. Shout-out to Fe Vivar. Shout out to Grace May Libres from Balingasag. Hello sa mga silingan dyan sa Balingasag. Kumusta? Shout out to Joanne Baguhin, Merly Corpus, Janet Gordon. Shout out to Realiza Aneves, Verlin Lauron, Hilda Simbahon, Irina Agodera Sumiyaya from South Cotabato, Mindanao. Shout out to Daya Magallanes, Marivic Valcorza, Herm Constantino, Rosana Mansueto. Shout out, careful anak, mataga ka na. Shout out to Lourdes Marie Velita, Janeline Valcorza, Chari Salazar, Luz Cabana, Nars Reyes, Joy Paragua, Ani Sarabusing, Mabel Fernandez. Shout out to Viviel Elerio, Cherry May Ongayo, Nori Aliada, Blessed Eva Anna Saliv. Shout out to Angel Lagulay. Shout out to Rosiela Bernaldez, Mad Brat, Evert Suta 53, and also sa kanyang anak na si Maria Micaela Sueta. Shout out to Michelle Dalit, Catalina Mempin, Gloria Benitado, Felina Rodriguez, Kakarot Buzi, Kane Bernales, Lynn Case, Ridaliza Aporillo, shout out to Earl Kitsi, shout out to, careful anak, shout out to Hilaska, Vicky Inot, Kusha Basham, Maria Luz Ponyo, Robles Family Vlog, Cherry Rose Lagos, shout out to Neil Thor Cosmiano Morales, shout out to Marika Remota, Austria. Yes, you are naughty.
No.
You are naughty. Change na pick up.
No.
Shout out to Austria Maricel, Arin Panorel, Genevieve Tan. Shout out to Leticia Gakutan, Lina de los Santos. Shout out to Lisan Bansil, Sheng Sheng. Shout out to Jean Atara, Medin Maraon, Losminda Losok, Evelyn Tamayo, Sulieta Ang, Lerma Cerezo, Felina Rodriguez, KD Jack 16, Jules Belt from CBO, Analo Tibay, Emmeline Himaw. Shout out to Joanne Baguhin, Patricia Mondoyo, Riz Chano, Feli Toledo, Gloria Benitado, and Bang Constantino. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful.
Bye.
Be careful, boss. Say be careful.
Careful. Bye.
Bye, guys. Good night. Mwah.